CSK.
This will be Dhoni's last match. What do you think about that?
Definitely not.
We are here at Chepauk to talk about CSK versus DC at Chepauk, and I am surrounded by fans here. Let's talk to them. Hi guys, how you are excited about today's game?
I'm really very much excited to see the match inside the stadium, and I think so today Dhoni will play a captain role. We are very much excited to see Captain Dhoni in the field.
Some people are saying that this will be Dhoni's last match also at Chepauk and last match in the whole IPL career itself. So what do you think about that?
Only one thing, definitely not.
Definitely not. He's not going to. He will continue, right?
Yeah. Yes, of course. He is a uncapped player. You know, he's a young captain still. So he will definitely lead in front.
CSK is actually struggling with the back-to-back losses against Rajasthan Royals and RCB. So what do you think about that? They will come back stronger, or how it will be?
So CSK has another name that is called Comeback Super Kings. So you know that's what we're known for.
Dhoni, CSK.
How you are feeling coming from your state to support your state man here at Chepauk?
It's very good feeling and so excited to see him in Chennai's Chepauk Stadium. And yeah, big fan for him, and yeah, all the way from coming from there and seeing him here, it's very good feeling.
Today's match, he will be captaining. Many people are saying. So, what do you think about that? If he is going to captain, what will be the strategies he will be going forward with? And will Rutraj Gaikwad play in? Will Rutraj Gaikwad play in the 11, or Dhoni will be the captain?
If Dhoni will be the captain, then he will be having his own strategy that no one can beat it, and yeah, it will be very good if he do the captaining, and it will be good.
Who is the player you are going to watch out for today's game?
Obviously Thala.
The strong rumors that Dhoni will be captaining today's side, and Rutraj Gaikwad is injured. So what do you think? What is your expectation from today's game?
I think that would be even better because we always wanted to watch Thala captaining in the television. Now only seeing on the stands, so very excited for that.
Will Dhoni play his last game today?
I don't think so. No. We'll hope that he'll play the whole tournament, but yeah, definitely not the last game, I think.
After back-to-back defeats against RCB and RR, we can clearly see that less number of crowd at Chepauk. It is unusual to see such crowd in the last few years. And also, when it comes to MS Dhoni's retirement, people are also pretty much disappointed with what performance Dhoni has given in the last two matches. And it's clearly visible that if this situation continues, it's a tough situation for CSK and Dhoni at Chepauk. With camera person KK, Sean Kumar reporting for The Federal.